We have a box and it's got blue, green, and purple marbles in it. And we're trying to find the ratio of the number of blue to, what is the ratio of the number of blue to the number of purple? Look at clue 1. The number of green marbles in the box is, green is 4 times the number of blue. Well, that doesn't tell me anything about purple, so clue 1 doesn't work by itself. 2, there are 192 green balls. Okay, so green is 192. Now remember, when you read clue 2, you're not including clue 1, okay? So clue 2 doesn't work independently either. Now put them both together. Well, that's going to work because green's 192. So you know the 192 equal 4 times blue. You can solve this. Now you wouldn't do all this. You don't have to actually find the answer. So we know green is 192 and we know blue is 192 over 4. And we know that there's a total of 256. There's only green, blue, and purple. So if you take 256 and subtract off the number of green and subtract off the number of blue, you would be left with a number of purple. So your answer is C.